Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. Let us continue with jump statements in Python. The jump statement in Python is used to unconditionally transfer the control from one part of the program to another. There are three keywords to achieve jump statements in Python. They are break, continue, pass. The break statement terminates the loop continuity. Control of the program flows to the statement immediately after the body of the loop. The while or for loop will iterate till the condition is tested false. But one can even transfer the control out of the loop with the help of the break statement. Now, let us consider this example. You have a condition here, and if the condition is true, this body of the loop will be executed. This is example for loop. Inside the loop, we are going to have a break statement. If break statement is executed, the control will come out of the loop and the statements given immediately after the looping structure will be executed. So the break statement will make the control exit the loop. That is, instead of this break statement, what will happen if we have continue? Continue statement, unlike the break statement, is used to skip the remaining part of the loop. When this is executed, the remaining part of the loop will be skipped and it will force the control to go for the next iteration. Break will make the control come out of the loop, exit the loop, skipping the other statements in the body of the loop. The loop will not be executed, whereas continue will force the next iteration to take place, skipping the other statements in the body of the loop. Hope you understood, children. The next one is pass statement. It is a null statement. When executed by the interpreter, it is completely ignored. It is generally used as a placeholder. This pass statement can be used as a placeholder. When we have a loop or function that is to be implemented in future, not now, we cannot develop such functions or loops with empty body segment. So in that case, we can make use of this pass statement. Nothing happens when pass is executed. It results in no operation. Let us see examples for each. Here is an example for break statement. We have a loop, for loop. This is control variable or counter variable word. This will take each and every character from this string. For each and every character, this block will be executed. This is a loop. So inside this block, what we have a condition, if condition. If word is equal to E, break statement is given. Otherwise, you are going to print the word. Word is nothing but variable here. This word will take each and every letter from the starting from J till E. It will take the value and this loop will be executed. So first time it takes J, check the condition, it is not true, so print, the letter J will be printed. Okay. In the next iteration, it will go to J, U, it will also be printed. It will go to the next iteration. When E is encountered, what will happen? The condition is true. You have break statement. Because of this break statement, the control will come out of the loop. You can see not even the else part will be executed. You can see only this statement, print statement, end of the program, which is given after the loop. So I'll execute this. See the output, children. JUMP STAT, that's all. When E is encountered, because of break statement, the control came out of the loop, and you can see end of the program. This is example for break statement. So the control will exit the loop. I'll change this to continue. See what happens now. What I said, continue will force the next iteration to take place. So bird control variable will start from J. When E is encountered, continue will be executed. Because of this continue, the statements which are given in the block after continue will be skipped, ignored. It will not be executed. Okay, the next iteration will take place. So E will not be printed. When E is encountered, because of continue, it will go to the next iteration, M. Then again one more E is there, it will not be printed. You can see the output now. Jump STAT, E is missing here, and because of continue statement, the next iteration will take place, M. Again E is missing, NT, and the entire loop will be executed. End of the loop, end of the program. So break will make the control exit the loop. Continue will force the next iteration to take place. Last one, example for pass statement. As I said, it is a null statement, nothing will happen for this. You can see you are going to get a number from the user, you are going to store it in X, you are having a condition, if X equal to 0, pass. You are not going to do anything. Else, non-zero value, okay, you are going to print this. Now let me execute this. Enter any number, 4. A non-zero value is accepted. You can see this. What will happen if I enter 0? Nothing is displayed. Nothing happened. So if you are going to enter 0, this condition is true. For this you have given pass. So this can be used as a placeholder. That's all, children. So we have jump statements, break, continue, pass. Break statement will make the control exit the loop. Continue will force the next iteration to take place. We'll meet in the next class, children.